Or Beenie Man could have keep show if Beenie Man never have visa.
Wait there.
You understand that? So now it's so coincidental that them get them visa during the time when Kartel return. So now them are going to show, so yo, we can do it just the same. So if Kartel wasn't here and them did get them visa, them could have do it just the same, bro.
Let me explain something to you. Kartel inspire all of these artists. Me no business where you want to say. Vybz Kartel are the Michael Jackson for dancehall.
Bro.
Learn that.
I mean, nah, so you're wrong, you know, dog. But there are some things where you have to admit that Kartel right now, dog. One, admit, said the man, every one of the songs them what the man come out with after prison, the new songs, them not have the same energy as the ones before.
Lies. All I man they sang millions when they drop in a 1 week a millions per them a stream.
Millions, dog. That's still not that.
Millions
where? Compared to him other songs then.
Take up your phone.
Yeah, but
take up your phone. Watch this stuff.
So why is it that he don't perform them the song that when
he do perform the songs?
Brother, nobody now sing them.